Hi dear students, I am your Sashma teacher. So today we are going to discuss about the chapter addition. So today we are going to discuss the topic the word problems based on the addition. So all of you look at the page number 108. Okay, so all of you open your textbook page number 108. So all of you look at the first question. Mummy bought 18 bananas and 24 orange and 28 apples to make fruit salad for the picnic. How many fruits did she buy in all? So that is the question. So let us look at the question. Mummy bought 18 bananas, 24 oranges and 28 apples to make fruit salad for the picnic. How many fruits did she buy in all? So, if you look at the question, Mummy bought 18 bananas, 24 oranges and 28 apples to make fruit salad for the picnic. So, how many fruits did she buy in all? That means to find the total number of, that means to buy the number of fruits in all. That is a question. That means total number of fruits. That means to find the total. Total means to find the sum. Okay. That means to find the sum. Okay. That means the answer. Look at the answer. Number of fruits is equal to how many bananas? It has 18 bananas. How many oranges? 24 oranges. How many apples? 28 apples. So it has a two-digit number. It has how many two-digit numbers? It has 3 two-digit numbers. That means to find the sum. Okay, it has two-digit number. That means you will represent ones and tens. Then arrange the number in place value order. So look at the first number 18. The number 18, 8 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. So this is the ones place space. So write 1, 8 here. Okay, that means 8 in the ones place. This is the ones place. That means on the bottom right 8. Then next 1. 1 in the tens place. 1 in the tens place. So this is the place of tens. On the bottom right 1. Okay. Then look at the next number 24. 24. 24 means 4 in the ones place and 2 in the tens place. 4 in the ones place and 2 in the tens place. That means 4 in the ones place. That means on the bottom right 4 and 2 in the tens place. This is the tens place. So write 2. Okay, the next 28. The number 28 8 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place. So this is the ones place and this is the tens place. So tens place is in 2. So this is the tens place. On the bottom right, 2. That means this is the addition to add the number 18, 24 and 28. So I already told what is the first. We have to arrange the number in places. Then after to add the ones. So first we look at the ones place. Add the ones place. 8 plus 4 plus 8. What is the answer? 8 plus 4 plus 8. How many ones? 8 plus 4? 12. 12 plus 8? 20. 20 ones. 20 ones regroupings into 0, ones, 2, tens. 20 ones can be regrouped into 0, ones and 2 tens. Write 0 in the ones place and 2 tens. That is 2 in the carried over. That write in the tens place. Okay, and carried over to the tens place. Okay, then add the tens place. All of you, very important matter is it to add the carried over also. Okay, then add the tens. Then 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is this 2? This 2 is the carried over. Okay, then first we have to add the ones. Then to add the tens. Okay, look at the tens. 1 plus 2. 3. Good. 3 plus 2. 5. 5 plus 2. 7. That means to add the tens place, you will get the answer 7 tens. 7 tens. That means 7 can be write in the tens place. So how many total number of fruits is there? The total number of fruits is 70. So how many fruits are? It has 70 fruits. How many fruits? It has 70 fruits. All of you clear? Clear. So next we have to go the next question. So the next question. Question number 2. Class 2 went for a picnic to Nehru Park. So next there are 72 boys, 67 girls and 18 teachers. How many people in all went for the picnic? So this is our question. What is our question? Class 2 went for a picnic to Nehru Park. There were 72 boys, 67 girls and 18 teachers. So how many people in all went for the picnic? Class 2 went for a picnic to Nehru Park. There they are 72 boys, 67 girls and 18 teachers. How pupil in all went for the picnic. So look at this scene. Kakas too went for a picnic to Nehru Park. There were 72 boys, 67 girls and 18 teachers. How many people in all went for the picnic? That means the total number of people went to the picnic. That means to find the sum of the all people. That is to find the sum of boys, girls and teachers. Okay. That means write the answer. The number of pupils in all. The number of pupils in all is equal to, what is how many boys? It has 72 boys. How many girls? It has 67 girls. How many teachers? It has 18 teachers. So it has 72 boys, 67 girls and 18 teachers. That means to find the sum of the all boys, girls and teachers. That means first we have to arrange the number in places. So it has 2 places, ones and tens. Then write one sentence. Then look at the first number, 72. 2 in the ones place, 7 in the tens place. The next number, 67. 7 in the ones place and 6 in the tens place. 7 in the ones place and 6 in the tens place. Then look at the next number, 18. 8 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. Then to find the sum, that means addition. Okay, first we arrange the number in places, that is in order. The next, add the ones. Add the ones. So look at the first look at the ones. What are the numbers? It has 2, 7 and 8. That means to add the ones. That means 2 plus 7 plus 8. 2 plus 7. 9. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. 17. 9 plus 8. 17. 17 ones. 9 plus 8 is in 17. 17 ones can be regrouped into 7 ones and 1 10. Is it? 70 ones can be regrouped into 7 ones and 1 10. 17 ones can be regrouped into 7, 1 and 1 10. Okay, that means 7 right in the ones place. So what about the 1? 1 is in the carried over, that we have to write in the tens place. So 1 is in the carried over to the tens place. That means that one right in the tens place. Okay, then what is next? First we have to arrange the number in places, that is in over. Second one, add the ones, that is over. What is next? Add the tens. Add the tens. So look at the tens. The digit 7, 6, 1. That means to add the tens means 7 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1. What is this one? This one is in the carried over. What is this one? That one is in the carried over. Okay. So look at the tens. Add the tens. 7 plus 6. 13. 13 plus 1. 14. 14 plus 1. 15. 15 tens. 15 tens. That means 15 tens can be regrouped into 5 tens and 100. 15 tens can be regrouped into 5 tens and 100. So 5 tens can be right here. What about 100? That is in the carried over to the 100 place. To the 100 place. That means write 100 and write here 1. So how many pupils is there? It has how many people? It has 157 pupils. How many pupils is there? It has 157 pupils. Okay. All of you clear this? Next, look at the next question. Look at the third question. Selvam bought 47 green balloons and 36 red balloons and 28 yellow balloons. Her sister's birthday party. How many balloons did he buy in all? That is a question. Selvam bought 47 green balloons, 37 red balloons and 28 yellow balloons for his sister's birthday party. How many balloons did he buy in all? This is the question. Look at the question. Selva bought 47 green balloons and 36 red balloons and 28 yellow balloons for his sister's birthday party. How many balloons did she buy in all? That means to buy the total number of balloons. Okay, to buy the total number of balloons means to find the sum of green balloons, red balloons and yellow balloons. Okay, that means to find answer. Total number of balloons. Total number of balloons is equal to. So look at the question. How many green balloons? It has 47 green balloons. So it has how many red balloons? It has 36 red balloons. How many yellow balloons? Look good. It has 28 yellow balloons. That means to find the sum. That means first we write the number in places. That means ones, tens. Look at this question. First number 47. 47 is in ones is in 7 and tens. It is in 4. Okay, then look at the next. How many red balloons? How many red balloons? It has 36 red balloons. That means 36, the number 36, 6 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place. 6 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place. Look at the next number. Yellow balloons. How many yellow balloons? It has 28 yellow balloons. How many yellow balloons? 28. That means ones is in 8 and tens is in 2. Add, addition. That means first we have to add the number in ones places. Ones. Look at the ones. 7, 6, 8. Add the number. 8 plus 6. 14. 14 plus 7. 21. Good. 21. That means 21 ones. 21 ones. That means 21 ones can be regrouped into 1 and 2 tens. 21 ones can be regrouped into 1 and 2 tens. Okay, 1 can be written on the ones place. What about 2 tens? 2 tens is the carried over to the tens place. Okay, 2 tens is the carried over to the tens place. Then look at the tens place. What is the number? 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. What is this 2? That 2 is in the carried over. Okay. 4 plus 3. 7. 7 plus 2. 9. 9 plus 2. 11. That means 11 tens. How many? What is 11 tens? 11 tens can be regrouped into 1, 10 and 100. 11 tens can be regrouped into 1, 10 and 100. So 110 is written right on the tens place and 100 to the carried over is written or right in the 100 place. Okay, that is 110. 110 can be written on the tens place. Okay, then again 100 to the 100 place. That means 100 can be written on the 100 place. That means how many balloons is there? It has 111 balloons. How many balloons? 111 balloons. How many balloons? 111 balloons. Okay. For the next question. Look at the next question. Fourth question. There are 32 red pencils, 25 blue pencils and 36 green pencils. How many pencils are there in all? That's a question. There are 32 red pencils, 25 blue pencils and 36 green pencils. How many pencils are there in all? So look at the next question. There are 32 red pencils, 25 blue pencils and 36 green pencils. How many pencils are there in all? That means to find the total number of pencils. To find the total number of pencils. Okay. That means to find the sum. The number of pencils is equal to how many red pencils? 32 red pencils. How many blue pencils? 25 blue pencils. How many green pencils? It has 36 green pencils. Okay, that means 32 plus 25 plus 36. First we have to arrange the number in places. So it has a 2-digit number, it has ones and tens. Look at the first number, 32. 2 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place. The next number, 25. 5 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place. The next, 36. 6 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place. That means to find the sum or addition. Then first we have to add the ones. 2 plus 5 plus 6. So look at this. 2 plus 5. 7. 7 plus 6. 13. What is that? 7 plus 6. 13 ones. That is 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 ones can be regrouped into 3 ones and 1 10. Okay, 13 ones can be regrouped into 3 ones and 1 10. Okay, that is write 3 ones in the ones place. What about 110? 110 is the carried over to the tens place. Then to add the tens, 3 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, but next add the tens. That means 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 is in the carried over. Okay, what is 3 plus 2? 5. 5 plus 3? 8. 8 plus the carried over. That is it. 9. That means it has 9 tens. How many tens? It has 9 tens. That means 9 can be write in the tens place. That means it has how many pencils? So it has 93 pencil. How many pencil? So it has 93 pencil. Okay. Next, Illa went to Delhi for 17 days. Shimla for 16 days and Jaipur for 28 days for how many days was La away. That means total number of days. To find the total number of days. 11 to Delhi for 17 days, Shimla for 16 days and Jaipur for 28 days. For how many days was Ilham away? That means total number of days. That means the total number of days is equal to 17 plus 16 plus 28. That means it has a 2-digit number. Write ones and tens. Look at this. 17. Ones, 7, tens, 1. Look at this next number. 16. 1, 6, tens, 1. Then look at the next number. 28. 8. Ones, 2, tens. Then add the ones. 7 plus 6 plus 8. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. That means 21 ones. 21 ones can be regrouped into 1, 1, 2, 10. That means 2, 10 is carried over to the tens place. 1 can be written on the ones place. That is 2 is the carried over. The next add the tens. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 tens. That is 6 can be written in the tens of place. So how many days? 61 days. All of you clear this portion? Any doubt is there? Okay. Thank you.